If you're familiar with Halo's style, the West Coast has definitely softened him up a little bit. Gotten a lot deeper, but he's still dope. That's Halo Varga, one of our many house guests tonight. We're going pretty much, for the most part, all house. There's just a couple of exceptions to that rule. In fact, one of them are coming up right now. Andre Solaris with some breaks. Q101, Sonic Boom.
This is an invitation. Sunday night.